Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have an early 911. It's come in with the original PCM1 broken down. It's got Bose, so few issues for compatibility, but we have now added a Kenwood unit into it. 8021, as we generally do all the time. It's now given him Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, full Apple CarPlay features, plus DAB, Bluetooth, and so forth. Brought the car back up, so really, customer loves the car, but now he's got 2024 specification. If something like this interests you, give us a ring. My name is Waz with B&B Audio Concepts. We're based in Cardiff, and we're part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme that entitles you to a 3-year warranty. As you can see, what I just done there is we flashed the screen to say Porsche, so it looks homely and how it should be. Thank you for watching.